Hi, welcome to Straight Shot Survival. My name's Christian,
And I'm Jake.
and today we're back at the old fort. It's actually been a year since we filmed. We apologize for the long wait. We just never got to film any more videos. We had a similar video to this last year where it was just me cleaning up the fort. It's going to be very similar to that video. It just survived a whole winter, so we just got to straighten up. And the last video we did here was building the fence on this side over here. And we didn't get to finish it because a huge thunderstorm came in, and so we'll probably finish that today as well. Stick with us. So what you've seen so far is we've cleaned up the entire place. Looks a lot better now. It's a weird cut because now we have our hammocks up, but we just need to do that to learn the spacing because we're switching things up a lot. Tomorrow we're actually planning to do an overnighter, so stay tuned for that episode. And we just need to know where to move the fireplace.
Yeah, so I'm going to dig a new fireplace. It's going to be a square fireplace just over there so it can fit in with the hammocks. Thank you for joining us today on Straight Shot Survival, where we cleaned up the fort a little bit and set up the hammocks for tomorrow. Hopefully, next time you'll see us doing a big overnighter.
Yep, so stay tuned for upcoming episodes. Make sure to click that subscribe button and click that bell.
Yes, sir.
Signing out.